Come back. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem of the function fx is equal to 2 sin x plus sin 2x on the interval 0 to pi. As you see, this function fx is equal to 2 sin x plus sin 2x, that is a trigonometric functions. Therefore, fx is continuous on closed interval 0 to pi. Fx is derivable in open interval 0 to pi, and it means both the conditions are satisfied. It means L'Henry theorem is applicable. And now we have f dash c is equal to f pi minus f0 upon pi minus 0. F dash c, that means fx is 2 sin x plus sin 2x. F dash c becomes 2 cos c plus 2 cos 2c is equal to f pi. F pi means sin, f pi means 2 sin pi plus sin 2 pi, that is equal to 0. And f0 is equal to 2 into sin 0 plus sin 2 into 0, that is again 0. That means we have this 2 cos c plus 2 cos 2c is equal to 0 minus 0 upon pi. That means we have 2 into cos c plus cos 2c is equal to 0. And now cos c plus cos 2c is equal to 0. Cos c plus cos d, apply the formula, you will get 4, 2 is already there, 2 cos 3c by 2 into cos c by 2 is equal to 0. This implies either cos 3c by 2 is equal to 0 or c by 2 is equal to 0. 3c by 2 is equal to 0, it means 3c by 2 is equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, odd multiple. And c by 2 is equal to 0, it means c by 2 is equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 and dash. And from this we can say c is equal to pi by 3, pi, or 5 pi by 3. And from here c is equal to pi, 3 pi. That means the values of c are different. We have to consider only those values that belongs to interval 0 to pi, open interval 0 to pi. That means here only one value, c is equal to pi by 3, belongs to open interval 0 to pi. It means there is only one points which belongs to open interval. It means L'Henry theorem is verified. I hope you understand this L'Henry theorem.